And kama kawaida, as usual, all the glory goes to our amazing God for letting us see another wonderful day. So, guys, have you ever wondered what is Saute cabbage? Or you're told go prepare Saute cabbage today? Don't wonder anymore because I got you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare cabbage using carrots. Saute cabbage needs steamed cabbage, but with that, kitchen language. When you're medic language, with our kitchen language, it is called saute cabbage. You tell someone, kindly go saute that cabbage, go steam that cabbage, and I'm not bragging. Risungu rikondani yangu. So today we're going to just do it. It's a very quick process, a very quick one, and a very nice one. But then the cabbage really tastes delicious even without tomatoes. So if you don't have tomatoes, low budget, go for saute cabbage. So let's do this, guys. So guys, this is our sufuria that we're going to be using. I'll add some oil. Not too much, not too little. Oil too ya kukaranga, and then I'll put on my fire. Then I'll add some salt. But then if you want to put some spices or even to cook salt well, when you're adding in your food, add it before even you put the onions. Let it cook with the oil first. That's the best way. So let's wait for the oil to get ready, and then now we add our onions. We have our cabbage here. This is our cabbage that we are going to be using. We have our carrots, well grated carrots. We have our dania. We'll also be adding some dania and our onions here. A very, very simple recipe and a quick one. So let's add our onions. So guys, as you can see, our onions are turning to golden brown. This is when we add our carrots. We add your carrots. Make sure it doesn't burn. Just stir a little bit, and then we add our cabbage. We add gradually, and then stir. And let's add more. All of it. Wasn't a lot. This is called Saute cabbage. The cabbage should not overcook, guys. So you take a lid, cover it for just like less than 5 minutes, and then we stir a little bit and then remove it. So you reduce your heat. Make sure you reduce the heat because you're steaming it. So guys, let's open our lid. Stir a little bit. The cabbage should not overcook, guys. It shouldn't overcook. That's why it's called saute cabbage. You do this way. It should take less than 10 minutes to prepare this. So we're going to be adding our coriander. Remember, coriander is dania, our well chopped coriander. Then you stir a little bit. Coriander should not cook. Actually, it's inakulongwata kaijapikwa, so it should not cook as such. You just add it when you're ready to remove your food. So this is called saute cabbage. You cook it less than 10 minutes, and guess what? Our cabbage is super ready. Super ready, guys. So guys, that has been it. That is our saute cabbage. In less than 10 minutes, you have your saute cabbage. That is steamed cabbage. You can also saute your kales. That is skuma wiki, or even spinach, any kind of vegetable. Huh? So that was it. Hope you've learned. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell that is just right besides it. Asanteni sana for your support, and let's continue doing this, guys. So for now, we wrap it there. It has been your girl. Until next time, bye bye.